Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control on your Lexus ES 350. First, find the cruise control stalk, typically located on the right side of your steering wheel. To turn the system on, simply press the on/OFF button found at the end of the stalk. You'll know it's active when a green cruise control indicator light illuminates on your dashboard, signaling it's ready to be set. Once the system is on, accelerate to your desired cruising speed. To set it, push the stalk down towards the SET position. The vehicle will now maintain this speed. If you need to go faster, briefly push the stalk up to RES/plus to increase your speed. To slow down, push the stalk down to SET/ for a slight decrease. There are two easy ways to cancel cruise control. You can either pull the stalk directly towards you or simply press the brake pedal. Both actions will disengage the system while keeping it ready. If you wish to return to your previously set speed, just push the stalk up to the RES/plus position, and your Lexus will accelerate back to that speed. For safe operation, always use cruise control on open, dry roads, avoiding heavy traffic or adverse weather conditions. Remember, it's a convenience feature, not an autopilot, so stay alert and be prepared to take full control of your vehicle at all times. And speaking of smart choices, make sure to check the description below for some fantastic deals, including a link to those incredibly durable socks with a lifetime warranty. You won't regret it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.